Toddlers! Welcome to another ABC adventure. Today, we're exploring the exciting letter E. Let's go!
This is the letter E. Can you say it with me? E. The letter E makes sound A, and let's say them together. Now let's learn some fun words. Let's start with the letter E.
E is for egg.
L, egg. Can you say L? Let's learn phonics sound of E. E is for elephant. E is for elephant. Say it with me. An elephant. Let's learn phonics sound of E. E is for envelope. E is for envelope. Can you say envelope? Let's learn phonics sound of E. Is for engine. E is for engine. E is for engine. Let's say it, engine. Let's learn phonics sound of E. E is for ear. E is for ear. Can you say ear? Learn phonics sound of E. E is for earth. E is for earth. Let's say it together. Oh, learn phonics sound of E is for excavator. E is for excavator. Let's say it together. Excavator. Let's learn phonics sound of E. Now let's sing a song. The elephant walks with a stomp, stomp, stomp. The envelope with a flap, flap, flap. The egg cracks open. Pop, pop, pop. The engine goes choo, choo, choo all day long. Great job. Let's say it one more time. E is for egg. E is for elephant. E is for envelope. E is for engine. E is for ear. E is for excavator. Let's learn phonics sound and words. Fantastic work, everyone. You learned the letter E, its sound, and lots of fun words. Give yourself a big clap. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more ABC adventures.